Having trouble completing your T-Mobile purchase? Let's address the common causes quickly. First, payment failures. Ensure your card details are accurate, number, expiry, CVV, and that you have sufficient funds. Try an alternative payment method like PayPal or a different card. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or force restart the T-Mobile app if payments freeze. Next, address issues. Use the exact formatting as USPS requires, avoiding abbreviations unless specified. Test with a known valid address. Finally, browser problems. Use the latest versions of Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Temporarily disable extensions, enable JavaScript and cookies, or use incognito mode to bypass cache issues. These steps can solve most common checkout problems. If basic fixes don't work, ensure you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi. Log out and back into your T-Mobile account to reset the session. For persistent problems, contact T-Mobile support directly. What's coming in the future? T-Mobile is trending toward mobile-first e-commerce. In the near future, expect AI to predict and autocorrect address input errors, and potentially even offer Web3 compatible checkouts for crypto payments. However, increased cybersecurity measures and stricter validations driven by rising payment fraud may sometimes cause false positives. Staying updated on browser compatibility and maintaining good browser hygiene will be increasingly important for a smooth checkout experience.